Hi and smiles, everyone, and welcome. Colleen here. Today I have a small Dollarama haul for you. It's not a lot of things, but I thought I would show you. It's a combination of craft related and household things. So I'm going to just jump right into this. We happen to be in a town that had a Dollarama, so I just popped in and got a few things. So the first thing I got was these oven mitts, pretty basic oven mitts. But I like getting them from the Dollarama opposed to the Dollar Tree because they only sell them in singles at the Dollar Tree, and I like to have a pair. And if I buy the singles, they all have the thumb going that you can only use it with one hand, not the other. This way you have both hands covered. And my other ones were just getting quite stained and no longer washable type of thing. So I replace oven mitts and such periodically, probably every 6 months or so I get a new pair. Okay, and then I got these bowls, and this was a 4-piece for $1.50. I will tell you if I know the price. I had taken the tag off of the oven mitts, so I think they were like $4 is what they were. The Dollarama used to be up to $5. Now I believe it's up to $6 now with the change of everything these days. Change of prices. Okay, so this was $1.50, and it's a set of 4. And I basically got them for their serving bowls. These ones are plastic, which is fine with me. I don't mind that at all. I liked the pattern on these. And basically this is, to set out perhaps candies or peanuts, something such as that, to when company is coming and you want to have little snackies around. I thought this was a nice size for that. It's a little larger than some of them. Some of the bowls I have, dessert bowls. So I seen those and the price was great. So I ended up getting those. Oh, and then I got this laser light. And basically you can see it has the green light. And I got this for Zachy, our cat. He has been really enjoying it. He chases it around on the floor and such. And it does have a USB port. And it did come with a cord also, but I was playing earlier with Zach with this, so I didn't grab the cord. But yeah, so you can recharge it. It's a rechargeable. So he's going to have a lot of fun. And it is kind of addicting to watch that light, even for us humans. Okay. And then I found this manual pencil sharpener. And it was a good price. I think it was $4 again, perhaps $5. It doesn't have the tag on it right now. But it is like the old school ones and has the handle attached. And then there is this suction cup type of bottom. So you just put it, and then this little handle here, you pull it up and it secures it. And then it's not going to move when it's probably not going to work on this mat, but on a regular table or counter, it will work just fine. Anyways, I'm always forever my pencils, my pencil crayons, all of those types of things. This will be great to have. I think it'll be faster than my little hand one. So it was such a good price, I thought I'd give it a try. #1 selling brand. Okay. All right, so I got that. So that was a nice buy. And then I got these jumbo craft sticks. I have been looking for these. I had bought some a while back, and I was running out, and I was having a heck of a time finding this size of a craft stick. So it was great to find these. This is an 18 piece for $1.25. So I think they're going to be just fine, but now I know I can get them there. I'm definitely going to have to go back and get some more. Then I seen this pack of tags, and they were only $1.75, and you got 24 of the small ones and 12 of the big ones. And then it came with all the jute or cord, right? So, you know, when I'm looking for a quick tag and I don't want to worry about cutting them all out and stuff, these will work great. I love the craft. It's a craft paper, and it's nice and strong. So those will come in really handy. I wish there was a little more of these larger ones, but there wasn't, and that's fine. And then we have these small ones, which will be great in little pockets, right? We always end up having some little pockets in our journal. So that was $1.75 for 24 small and 12 medium sized. So that was a fairly good deal. And then I got, I'll show you these first, and then the rest will be some storage stuff I've got. So I seen these stickers, embossed glitter stickers, and they were $1.50, and they were just like, look at these birds. Aren't those beautiful? So you get 2 sheets, and they are both different. And then it had these like washi tapes on the side. Yeah, so they just peel off. Unfortunately, they've got some white on them, but that won't be hard to just trim them up in the end. Before I even take them off the sticker, I'll just go use my cutter, and I will cut those a little closer. But anyways, it was the birds on here that I thought were really, really pretty. And for $1.50, I thought that was a fairly good deal. Getting the 2 sheets, and it's a good strong sticker too. So I was happy to find those. And then I'll show you this tray before the storage stuff. I found this tray. Isn't this just wonderful? Right? The metal tray. It was $5 for this tray, but I just fell in love with it. You could leave it with just the metal, and you could use it in your house and put items in it and put it on a coffee table or a stool, such thing. Or you could use it in your craft room. And like I said, you could just keep this metal, or you could decorate it, which I think I'm going to end up doing. Is I will probably decorate this, and then it has the nice handles. But anyway, it is a really, really nice tray and very decorative, really. So I was really happy to see that. So I grabbed that. I'm going to just put some of these things in here out of the way into my new tray. And then the rest are storage. So I got this one here, and basically, I'm not sure, again, I think there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 times 4, so about 72, I think it is, of these little ones. And this will be great for mica beads, seed beads, glitter, all those tiny, tiny little things you have in your craft room, and you need to contain them, or you have a heck of a mess at the end of the day. So I got these for that particular reason, and there's so many in here. I won't need another one. And then even if you pull these out and wanted to put them in a different container, then you can use the container itself that all of these are in. Is a nice little container as well. right? And it has the little handle. And yeah, it's just was very well made. And I have never had anything with these smaller containers, and I'm finding that I need them. So I picked up that. And then I found this I thought was interesting. It's a drawer organizer. It was $5, and it comes and it has the 3 drawers. So you could sit this right on your desk, and then it just opens like that, the drawers. So all those little, again, for smaller items that you're using to make ephemera and such, you can put in these drawers, and whatever it is that you wish to store. I thought this was really interesting. And also the way the top is, these are stackable. So you could get several of these and stack them up and then have a whole unit of them on your desk, storing your different items. So I really, really liked that. My desk is a little full, but I am going to find room for this for sure. And then the last item I got from the Dollarama this time, and it was a $5, and it is a divided storage box, they're calling it, with adjustable dividers in it. So basically, they all hook together. So you just unhook it like that, and you take the top off. And then each layer unhooks from there, right? And then these dividers, if you decided that you needed to have more room than what these are here for whatever you're storing, they come out, and you can make it as big a storage pocket in here as you wish. So like that would come out, so if you have larger items. So this I thought was perfect. It's going to be great for different ephemeras that I want to store, like my stickers and such. And then they all just hook up together. There's 3 of them. And then this one on top, right, is the top of the next one down. And then they just all snap together like this. I can just line that up. My goodness. There we go. So there you go. So very travel. You could take this with you if you're going to a craft along and you needed to take some items. This would be perfect for that. You could store all kinds of beads in here. Just many, many different storage uses. And then each one, you could just take the bottom off, etc. As if you don't need the top one or the middle one, take the bottom off and go from there. So that is my haul for this time. Like I said, it wasn't a huge haul, but I think I got some really nice things. And these storage things, I am certainly, storage units, little units, I'm looking forward to filling up. You always seem to have enough to fill these things up, don't we, in our craft room. So I want you all to have a lovely, lovely day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help. Leave a comment down below. And you all have a very crafty day. Bye for now.